Hi superstars! Today we'll be talking about profitable food storage products in 2024. Or you could say profitable foodstuffs stored in 2024. You can also say profitable foodstuffs that were stored and people made money in 2024. Whatever it is, we will be discussing foodstuffs people stored and they made lots and lots of profits this year. Okay, so if you remember this year, I said so many people should store food products that they were going to make profits. I even started teachings on different food products and how you can store them. I mentioned how you can store groundnut, beans, rice, uh, bitter cola, different food products. I've done videos on how you can store them on this channel. Okay, and so many people went ahead to store even palm oil. All right, and this year you can attest that so many people who have stored food products have made good money from it. Some people have made more than 100% return on investment, some have made 100%, some 50%. Okay, people who stored food products have made money. This year, food products has recorded an increase in price, a hike in price, and this has afforded those who store these food products the opportunity to make profits from it. So if you store food products, you can attest to the fact that you have made profit. Okay, so if you're in the category of people who are wondering food products you can store in order to make money, then this video is for you. Okay, so I'll be telling you those food products people stored and made profits. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so first on the list is palm oil. Palm oil has made people rich this year. So many people are smiling, my superstars. Some people who stored palm oil as at April, some stored May, and some even stored early June. Okay, and from some people have sold out, and so many people who have sold out are already on 100% profits. Okay, and some have made more than 100% profits from palm oil this year. So palm oil is one food product that never fails, sort of. Okay, it never fails. If you know the right time to buy palm oil and when to sell it out, and you know how to the right grade of palm oil to buy, and you also know how to store the palm oil, okay, so you can sell out, and you also know the right time to sell it out, because some people also keep the palm oil till it gets to maximum profit and then it starts losing profit as well. So knowing the right time to sell it out also matters. So many people who bought palm oil this year have sold at 100% profit. All right, so palm oil is one food product that people make money. At all, they make at least 20% profit. But there has never been a year where people store palm oil and they don't make profit. Okay, so another food product is a goosey, also known as melon. Melon is one food product that people keep making profits from. Okay, from July, August, people harvest a goosey and some people go ahead to store. And over the years, only coded people know when the price of melon drops. Okay, and then they go to those places and buy them and store. Most times you hardly notice a drop in the market. Okay, even when it drops, they keep selling it at high price in the market. As I speak with you right now, a cup of a goosey goes for 600 naira a cup. Okay, so people say they buy at 800 naira a cup. Okay, so a goosey is one food product that keeps appreciating in value, and even when the price drops in the local markets and during harvest, people still sell it at high price. You could hear a difference of maybe 100 naira, 150, and after a while, for a week or two, and after that, it jacks up in price again. So it is one coded food product that people make lots and lots of profit from. The next food product is bitter cola. Okay, 2 years ago, bitter cola sold and lots of people rushed. People were happy and excited that they stored bitter cola. It paid 2 years ago. But last year, bitter cola did not make profit. So many people relaxed. But guess what? This year, a custard bucket of bitter cola is sold at 50,000 naira. So those who didn't give up and stored bitter cola this year have been able to make profits. 100% profits from bitter cola storage. Okay, so every food product is always tricky. There are years people rush in, and before you know it, the price crashes. And there are years people are not there, so it's not saturated, and people make lots and lots of profit from it. So bitter cola has paid this year. Guess what? Okay, the next food product is corn. Corn has also paid. There was a time this year where a bag of corn was sold at more than 150,000 naira. Okay, people were shouting, and you know, it's one of the major ingredients for cereals and all that. It increased in price. Is it soya beans? Soya beans increased in price. And another food product that so many people have not noticed is ogbono. Ogbono is a silent food product so many people do not know about. Ogbono has given lots and lots of people money. Okay, it's a silent thing. Not so many people know how to store ogbono. Not so many people know they can store ogbono. So many people don't even know ogbono exists. But the ogbono is in a class of its own. People are cashing out quietly from ogbono. There was a time I went to buy a cup of ogbono. They told me 3,000 naira. 3,000 naira for a cup of ogbono. I just jejely carried myself away. Okay, I had to go and plan my soup again. Okay, so ogbono is another silent money maker that is just there, that is giving people money, and so many people don't know about it. So you could go and check it out. Storage of ogbono is very tricky. You need to be very careful when you are storing ogbono. If not, you could run at losses. The ogbono could get spoiled in your hand. I guess that's why so many people don't get involved in storage of ogbono. But people who know how to are cashing out massively from it. The next food product is groundnut. Groundnut is one food product that is consumed by a lot of people. People use it to eat with biscuits, corn, drink it with garri. I love groundnut, okay? And everyone loves groundnut. Groundnut is one food product that round the year it keeps increasing in price. Even when groundnut was being harvested, the price dropped by I think 200 naira or so for just a week or two, and after that it jacked up in price again. This year people have bought 3 cups of groundnut for 1,000 naira. People have bought 4 cups of groundnut for 1,000 naira, and as I speak with you right now, a cup of groundnut is sold as at 500 naira. Okay, so even in a season of abundance this year, you hardly notice a reduction in price. It keeps increasing in price. So groundnut is another food product that has paid a lot this year. People who stored groundnut have packed money this year. Okay, next is beans. Okay, for the first time this year, I have bought a cup of beans at 600 naira. This year, beans has recorded an increase in price. One of my customers said she bought a bag of beans at more than 200,000 naira, which has never happened. A bag of beans used to go for about 80,000 naira and all that, but this year it has recorded a very high increase in price. And guess what? Even when beans was harvested, it is still high in price. The price of beans is still very high up there. And this has afforded those who store beans the opportunity to make money. Even if you're selling in cups, you are making good money. Even if you're selling in custard buckets, you are making good money from sales of beans. Next is rice. Rice is another commonly consumed food product here in Nigeria. Everyone loves rice. And this year, rice has recorded a very high hike in price. Okay, I remember a few months ago, a bag of rice went for like 70,000 naira. And my customer was telling me, buy this rice, oh, buy this rice, oh, the price of rice will soon go up. Oh. And as at then, I remember I saw a particular product that is loved by a lot of people. I tried it once and I loved it. And he was like, buy this rice, now you have seen it, oh, the price will go up. And that business spirit in me was telling me, buy this bag at this rice, at least some bags, go and keep, you will soon cash out. And I was like, darling, when I came back the next week, he said the price has increased to, it increased by 10,000 naira. And I lingered around for another week. He said it has increased to, increased by another 10,000 naira. And I was like, oh, see, by now I would have made like 20,000 naira profits from this particular rice. Okay, a rice that was sold at 70,000 naira, in 2 weeks it increased to 100,000 naira. So rice is another food product that has increased in price. Even when it is in harvest, it is still high up there. Newly harvested rice is at a difference in price of just 10,000 naira from the old stock. You know, the old stock of rice rises, it's good, it increases when you cook, and it's hard, it doesn't get watery compared to the newly harvested rice. But the difference in price is just 10,000 naira. And some, if you're lucky to see a wholesale vendor, 15,000 naira in price. So rice this year has paid, and those who stored rice are making good money from it. So far, I have mentioned a lot of food products that have paid this year. There are other food products, but these are most of the major food products that have given people money this year. Okay, so do you know how to store these food products? Would you be interested in if I make videos on how you can store these food products? Would you like to know how to store them? Please write in the comment section which food product you would love me to make a video on how to store, the time to store, the time to sell out, okay? And I'll make a full video on it. All right, did you have value? Did you love this video? And have you liked this video, my superstars? If you love what I said today, if you got value, please like this video, give me a thumbs up, and share this video. Thank you. And if you have not subscribed, please take a second to hit that subscribe button, like and share this video. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever there's a new video. All right, my superstars, thank you for watching. I appreciate every one of you. Till our next video, always and always remember that I love you. Bye, superstars.